Jaya Mulawa.
Speak back.
This is Jaya Mulawa. Wise man. In Karumbira mines, Karumbira minerals. Doing some drilling, man. Copper and gold, man. Minerals. You are drilling it, man. It's a big drill, MT6640. One of the biggest drills in the world. They shout out to my friends out there in Elston Power, all the Rastafari movement guys. Shout out to you, Papa. I love you all guys. Ras Nico, Ras Sunday, Ras Manyando, I love you all. All my parents out there, I say shout out to you. You are wonderful to my life, man. Wonderful to my life. We are doing it here in Karumbira. Visit us one of these days. We are enjoying, man. With my Bwana, Mr. Alan Thierry from Canada. One of my best bosses, best trainer in the world. Wonderful, man. Wonderful. Really enjoy it. Naitumira kaframina, mashemi waka, iwarikani waka kaufera. Mwari wingi, kwarukuru kaufera. Kaufera michawa, walizi mwari wingi mo. Mnozi mwa mwishe tujirijiri wanyamata. Kupaya. Sebazani tunasiya kudara kumwamuwa. Tinamara no mara hapa so. Mbesere ya mwishe kuno kusurwezi. So, mwamba muwanga. Deko nzeru kakwele kuno katone konvera. Wonderful guys. All Rastafari movement. One love, man. Feel I really love you. Wonderful. Thanks.